I got another style today. I just tried this method and I got another style. I don't know, somebody might like it, so let me share. Okay, so I'm going to get my material. I got the material and I divided it into two equal parts. That's 50-50. Pleated everything down and use elastic band to divide it at the center. So once I divide it, I place it on my head and I want to cover the middle part of my head, so I try to stretch a bit out to cover the middle because I don't have my hair done, so I want it covered. In case you want to open it, you don't have to stretch any part out, just leave it the way it is being pleated or true. So for this, I just pick the excess, cross it and direct it towards the front, then twist them forward, dip the excess into the elastic band. What I do to the first one, I repeat to the other part. So I have bits left at the front, so I like to stretch it out and fold it into two like this. But I notice that it's not enough for me for what I'm thinking to create with it. I'm thinking what I've done here like this, folding it to two and direct it sideways. I wanted to repeat to the other side, but it's not enough, so I decided to fold in like this and pin down. So that's what I just thought of. And the other part, you just stretch it out, grab it to the back with the this one, and this one, find a place to tack it at the front. Very simple at last, though I didn't plan for doing this, but the material was not enough and I came out with this. And finally, I love it. I don't know who might also like it, so I'm sharing this, guys. Add this to the collection of the head wrap you'll be trying. Okay, so don't forget to touch your head wrap, shift it backward, touch it when you need to touch it and where you need to touch it. Add this to it for beautification. And that was how I achieved this, guys. Hope you're going to try it. If you like it, I'll be dropping more soon. Take care. Bye. See you back.